Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and when it comes to cords, less is definitely more. This sleek socket is so much more than an extension cord.
It's way more aesthetically pleasing and could help protect your children and pets. Installation is so easy. You literally just plug it in and that's it. It's ready to go. If you're just going to put it behind a piece of furniture, you can leave it just like that. But if you do want to make it more sleek, it comes with these cord clips that attach to the wall. I found it easier to put the cord in little by little instead of trying to get the clip around the cord. And once you stick it where you want it to be, you can see that it's nice and secure. We live in a small space, so every little inch really counts. The sleek socket allows us to push the trunk all the way against the wall, and you can see the mark on the carpet of how much space we really gained. A really great feature I didn't think about until I had it installed is how easy it is to clean around. So it's easy to wipe down and also vacuum all the way up against the baseboard without any cords sticking out. And of course, it just looks so much nicer. Check out this before and after. So get those cords nice and tidy once and for all. You are gonna love it. We do.
And that's my point of view.